Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, that's my lazy pit bull. But yeah guys, I got an unboxing today. Well, it's already open, but yeah. So what I got, guys, I have a 9-inch car mirror link connect screen here. And this, guys, is going in my 1996 Chevy S10. So it is a 9-inch TV screen, way bigger than what I have now in there. There's nothing wrong with the one I have. I just wanted something bigger, and this one pretty much does, everything that I wanted. Backup camera, navigation, everything that you can see on your phone, you can be able to see in this screen, guys. And I thought that was kind of neat. This one has USB, Bluetooth, all that type of stuff that it comes with. Has your your ports in the back, video input and all that. And then also this one came with the harness. So it comes with the harness, the remote. Pretty cool remote. Bigger than what my other one looks like, but But yeah, so this is what we got for today, and this is how it's gonna look once I install it. I'm not gonna install it today. It's gonna take me, it's gonna take me a long time to install this thing. So I'm probably gonna do that off camera, guys. But I'm gonna kind of show you on YouTube how it looks. That way you guys can get a good idea how it looks in person. It's gonna be a different screen, but it's the same setup, guys. So let me turn around and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So right now, guys, he's trying to link to the radio from his cell phone. That way he can be able to see everything that he does on his cell phone. You can see everything on the on your radio screen. He's putting in his password there. And like I said, guys, my old radio is still good. I think I'm gonna save it and use it for a different car. So yeah, I just wanted something a little bit more modern, bigger screen. So, and that's how it does, guys. That's how you operate it. Everything you do on your cell phone. Like this video, guys, please smash that like button. Consider yourself subscribing. Have a great day today, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.